This lesson, the natural food cycle, lays the groundwork for two very important concepts of the whole Green Beetz curriculum, which is the extent to how the modern food system is very different from our natural food cycle, as well as how the environmental and health-related impacts of the modern food system. Through this lesson, we really want to drive home the point for your students of the connectivity that we have in this world, which is very important for humans all across the world, but especially for those living in urban systems, because it's very easy to be disconnected from our environment. So the natural food cycle, day one, is broken down into you reviewing the breakfast challenge and then introducing your students to the video of the day to help them get ready for what they're about to learn and really hone in on those teaching points. And then it's a very open discussion about food systems and food webs to get them really ready for day two. So the natural food cycle, day two, has you really delving into the activity, which after you've gone through the extensive discussion from day one, your students should be really ready. The activity is just something that you're aiming for when you get your activity. To just show the super connectivity of all the organisms on this world. What we usually do and recommend is you have a giant ball of string and you divide your students up into different species or animals. Somebody's a fox, somebody's a grasshopper. You give them these picture cards or just give them name tags if you don't want to print out the picture cards. And you have them, I'm a fox, what am I gonna eat? Or who's gonna eat me? And you slowly start to develop with this ball of yarn the connectivity of everybody, connecting producers to consumers, omnivores, carnivores, and at the end you have a very connective, intertwined ball of yarn with everybody in the classroom at least touching it once, if not multiple times. So this just drives home again the idea of the interconnectivity of our food web and our food cycle. Through this lesson, we really want to drive home the point for your students of the connectivity that we have in this world, which is very important for humans all across the world, but especially for those living in urban systems, because it's very easy to be disconnected from our environment.